Traders, hope you guys had a wonderful trading week. Hope you guys showed up and hope you guys unleashed the potential that you carry and all the discipline and the optimism that you carry. But this is your boy Harlem, KCOT, and I'm back again with another video. If you're new to my channel, this is your boy Harlem, and I'm grateful for having you as one of our family members. And on this YouTube channel, I'll be taking you guys into my journey, showcasing you guys how we trade, how you can trade, how we live our lives, and how we surely maintain ourselves and get to the bag using Forex trading. And on today's video, I'll be showing to you guys possible direction for the coming week, which is our weekly insight of NASDAQ, USD CAD, and gold. But before we start, if I add a new value into your trading life and into your trading journey, all I ask of you is to just like the videos, share the videos, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment on the videos, and far most importantly, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and I'll recommend. But overall, as you guys know, the COT Academy has a 50% discount in our one-on-one 2-day in-person mentorship course. So I will leave all my numbers, my links, and all any source of communication tool that I have, so it can be easy for you to communicate with me, and so we can chop it up and take it from there. But without further ado, let me make sure that I update you guys, and let me make sure that I prepare you guys for the next trading week. So our first pair will forever be the NAS, because that's wifey, right? So on the NAS, if you can clearly see, you can clearly tell that our structure is bullish. And with our structure being bullish, you can clearly see that price has violated our all-time high resistance and gave us a new all-time high to end the week. So how price is currently looking at the moment, all I can simply say is that we're simply waiting for confirmation. And this confirmation, to be quite frank with you guys, it's mainly based on us having to see that are we going to get a pullback of a higher low formation so we can look for those possible new highs, or is price going to just continue pushing to the upside based on how price is looking at the moment? Because our structure is bullish, and with structure surely being bullish, from every push phase, we need an exhaustion phase so we can get a continuation push phase. So NASDAQ closed on our highs, and where price has closed, all we're now looking for is for price to give us a higher low formation so we can look for those continuations to the upside. But if we won't get that, then I guess we're gonna wait and see what is price gonna do from there. But keeping it mindful, we're simply waiting for confirmation just to see how is price gonna react and just to see how is the coming week going to play out. But be mindful of one thing. If price will give us a higher low formation, we might look for those continuations to the upside. If we don't, then I guess we're gonna wait and see what is price gonna do from there. But without further ado, second pair, which is gold. So if I have to zoom in on gold, you guys clearly understand that gold has a major resistance and a major support, and now we're trading on our intraday support, which is our minor support in a way, right? So looking at our current structure, you can tell that price is moving in lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower high, and price is currently closed on our lower low formation. And with that being said, we now understand that our structure is bearish, right? And with our structure being bearish, you now can clearly see that where price is closed to end the week, we're below our lower low. We're below our intraday support zone / minor support. And with that being said, all we're now waiting for the coming week, because we have a trade idea, we're now going to be looking forward for price to be bullish. If price will trade above the zone, then I guess we might look to be bullish above our intraday zone. But if price will close and trade below, then I guess we're going to have to be bearish below. Meaning if price will close above, if price will stay above, if price will stay below our zone, then I guess we're going to still anticipate those continuations to the downside based on price breaking below our zone and closing below our zone to end the week. So if price stays below, then I guess we're going to be bearish below our zone. But if price trades above, then I guess we're going to be bullish above our zone. And that's how we're going to keep it. If we don't get anything like that, then we won't put our money to work on gold. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USD CAD. So on USD CAD, I did share to you guys on our previous video. You can go check it out. You can go check it out, right? So USD CAD, you had a simple anticipation of a head and shoulders. And obviously with a head and shoulders anticipation, you can clearly now see that price did play out as we anticipated, right? We did obviously print out our neckline and we did have a close below of our neckline. And we can clearly see prices created those intraday lows. So current price was bullish to end the week, right? But with price being bullish, you can clearly see this 4 hour rejection candlestick, meaning price was above our neckline and then price closed below our neckline, meaning we had bullish momentum that violated our neckline. Unfortunately, the Bears were still in charge, were still in control of the charts and had more momentum than the Bulls, right? What happened from there? Price eventually pushed to the downside and closed below our zone to end the week. So now that we're simply waiting for confirmation for the coming week, this confirmation is based on us having to understand the real nature into how prices played out, because from the left shoulder and the right shoulder, right, and this break and this retest, we might anticipate those further continuations to the downside. But I'm simply keeping it real to you guys. We're waiting for confirmation to see what is going to happen. But as I anticipate, and based on me having experiences of trading a head and shoulders in any pair, I understand that in most cases, if price will give us a retest of our neckline and still trade below our neckline, then there's a high possibility of price continuing to the downside because we closed below our neckline, meaning we had a breakout and a retest. So we might look for those continuations to the downside. But we're simply waiting for confirmation on USD CAD. That's how I'm gonna keep it to you guys. But without further ado, this will be what we're anticipating for the coming week, and this will be what we'll be looking to put our money to work on USD CAD. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if I add any value and if you've got to the end of the video, all I ask of you, like the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. And if you have gained knowledge and value from this video, I know you know a trader that would like to gain the knowledge that I shared to you individually. So share the video, share the channel, so they can also have game in the trading journey, so we all can have game. But without further ado, COT Academy has a 50% discount on our mentorship course. If you're looking for any inquiry, take my number, take my Instagram link, or comment P on my comment section. Then I know what we're going to do from there. But without further ado, there's a boy Halif, King COT, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next video.